Yo, it's your boy Vandroid Dr. back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this video I'll be showing you how to perform a factory reset on this device. So a factory reset is very useful and recommended if you're going to be selling the phone on to somebody else, or even if you're giving it to a family member. I highly recommend performing a factory reset before you do either of the two things that I've just mentioned. Okay, so what the factory reset's going to do is it's going to wipe the phone totally clean. Everything's going to get wiped. All your social media accounts, your banking accounts, banking information, any downloaded apps, music, pictures, videos, anything that you have on the phone is going to be totally wiped. And the phone is just going to be like a new phone again. So yeah, guys, if you want to perform a factory reset, this is definitely the video for you. However, guys, before you actually perform the factory reset, one important thing I recommend doing before you go ahead and factory reset, make sure that you back up any important pictures, videos, any important files, because like I said, it's going to wipe the phone totally clean. So once you want to go ahead and proceed with the factory reset, just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down all the way down to where it says System and Updates. And here you will see Reset. Select Reset, then select Reset Phone. Okay, so here it just explains this will delete all data from your device, including accounts, app data and system settings, installed apps, music, photos, files. Security chip contents will be erased the next time the device connects to the internet. Locally stored system app and personal data related to Honor IDs. Okay, so just go ahead and select Reset Phone. And once again, it just explains resetting your device will erase all system data and installed apps. Your personal files such as music and photos will be permanently deleted. This cannot be undone. To prevent data loss, it's advised that you back up this device before resetting it. So like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, make sure you do back up any data, because once you perform the factory reset, you won't be able to get those things back. Okay, so it explains a quick note: do not back up your data to the internal storage. And then there's an option to do the backup. However, if you don't want to back up anything and you want to go ahead and just perform the reset, just go ahead and select Reset Phone. And as you can see, it's now erasing. It's going to restart. And then the wiping is going to continue. Okay, so as you can see, it's still resetting. Reset successful. Okay guys, so from here, if you're planning on keeping the phone, you can just simply go ahead and set the phone up again. Or if you're giving it away or selling it, just simply turn it off. So just power it off, and then you can just place it in the box. And you can sell it to whoever you're selling it to, or you can give it to your friend or your family member. So yeah guys, that's how you perform a factory reset on the Honor Magic 5 Lite. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.